Hello everyone, I am Ashima and I am here for conducting our 7th live session which is on German. German for beginners. So let's start. Hallo. Hallo means hello in German. Why to learn German? Widely spoken language in Europe. German is widely spoken in Europe. Second is knowing German creates business opportunities, cultural understanding, research opportunities, work and study opportunities. Yes, if we know German, then it's very helpful for communicating, like in business, like when if we are working on various MNCs, then sometimes we have to communicate with Germans. So it's easy if you know German. And cultural understanding, like yes, if you're studying any language, then you get to know the culture of that country. Like for example, like I'm studying German, so I somehow know the behavior of the Germans, that how do they live. And also we research opportunities are also there, and work and study opportunities. Like if you know the German like B2 level, then it's great. Like if you can go over there and study. Like in German there are two universities, that is public and private, and public universities are totally free. Like you don't have to pay anything for your study if you're getting admission in public universities. Like fun facts of German, famous German words in English. Like there are many words in German which we are speak in English language. For example, kindergarten. Kindergarten. We in English that is we used to say KG. So kinder mean children and garten mean garden, like garden for children. And another one is wanderlust. Wanderlust, which is an English word, and in German we used to pronounce like this, wanderlust. Like wander mean like roaming, and lust mean having passion or having passion for anything, like passion for roaming. So, and another one is berg, like iceberg, which is a German word we used to say in English, like iceberg. Berg mean mountain. And the umlaut and beta, like in English, we are having four vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. And that's like in German, we are having it A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut, and beta. Beta is known as sharpless S, and it's pronounced as like so sound is there. And second, the German language has three genders, that is masculine, feminine, and neutral. Yes, in German we are having genders for each and everything. Like if we're talking about pen, we are having the gender. Like if we're talking about computer, then we are having the gender. And German language is known for its long words. Yes, it's true. As we compare to in English, German is having long words. Like sight is known as Sehenwürdigkeiten, which is a quite long word as if we compare this word from English. And all nouns are capitalized. Whenever we are writing any noun in German, the first letter should be in capital. This is the basic rule in German. German spoken in many countries. German is official language in Germany, Austria, and Liechtenstein. German is also spoken in Switzerland and Belgium. German ranks 11th in the list of the most widely spoken language in world. Origin of German language. German language is first spoken by Europe, and German language is coming from the Indo-European language family. German is spoken natively by population of 515 million people. What makes learning German easy? German and English originate from the same language families. Both German and English are Indo-European language that we studied earlier, and stem from the Germanic family of languages. About 40% of German vocabulary is similar to English vocabulary, which is good news for native speakers. Pronunciation is also more straightforward. English and German share a lot of them, include all the month of the year as well as lot of other common everyday vocabulary like October, November, English, etc. 80% of the most common English words have Germanic origin. These include the most basic and frequently used expression. But every word spelled differently in German can be decoded with little efforts. Yes, it is true. We can see that November, the spelling of November is same, but the pronunciation in German language is quite difficult and it's quite unfamiliar. Like November is pronounced as November. It's yeah. Now the pronunciation of German letter: A is pronounced as A, B is Be, C is Se, D is De, E is pronounced as A, F is F only, G is pronounced as K, H is Ha, I is E, J is pronounced as Ya, K is Ka, L is L, M is pronounced as M, N is N, O is O, P is P, Q is Q, R is R, S is, T is T, U is pronounced as U, V is V, W is V, X is X, Y is epsilon, and Z is pronounced as A umlaut is pronounced as A, O umlaut is U, U umlaut is U, B is beta is like S sound is there. The best way to learn German pronunciation is by starting with the alphabets. Like A umlaut is pronounced like in telling, like telling. If we are speaking telling, then by removing T and link, the word which is left is like A umlaut is pronounced like A umlaut, and the O umlaut is like an in girl. This is like nasal sound which is coming from like in girl. The U umlaut like U in mood. Finally, beta is pronounced as a double S. J is pronounced as ya. V is pronounced as fe. Fa. Like in Volkswagen, the car. Like apfel. Now apple is apfel in German, and it is pronounced like apfel. So money is Geld in German. Like Geld is known as money. It is quite easy to pronounce, like it's Geld. And book is pronounced as Buch. Buch. Now month's name in German, like January is pronounced as Januar. February is Februar. March is Mars. April is April. May is Mai. June is Juni. July is Juli. August is August. September is September. October is October. November is November. And December is December. Now, greetings in German. Good morning is Guten Morgen. Good night is Gute Nacht. Good evening is Guten Abend. Thank you is Danke. And goodbye is Auf Wiedersehen. And willkommen is welcome. Welcome is willkommen. Now, days of the week in German: Montag is Monday, Dienstag is Tuesday, Mittwoch is Wednesday, Donnerstag is Thursday, Freitag is Friday, and Samstag is Saturday. Freitag is Friday, Samstag is Saturday, Sonntag is Sunday. Now, family relations in German: father is known as Vater, mother is Mutter, Brother is Bruder. Sister is Schwester. Son is Sohn. Daughter is Tochter. Grandfather is Großvater. Grandmother is Großmutter. Like Danke. Danke means thank you. So thank you.